In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Shopify custom order report in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to gain insights into your sales performance or just want to keep a closer eye on your business metrics, building a custom report in Shopify is a valuable skill. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Shopify. Once you locate the official Shopify website, click the link to open it. This will bring you to the welcome page, where you can log into your account. Just a friendly reminder, always ensure you're on the correct website to avoid any phishing scams. Now that you're logged into Shopify, head over to your admin panel. From here, you'll want to navigate to the Analytics section. Under this drop-down, you'll see a category labeled Reports. Go ahead and click on Reports. This is where Shopify compiles all your data into easy-to-read reports. Next, to create something tailored to your specific needs, you're going to click on New Exploration. This option allows you to begin building your custom report from scratch. Imagine this as starting with a blank canvas where you can focus on the data most relevant to you. Once you're in the New Exploration section, it's time to define what kind of data your report will focus on. You'll do this through the Configuration panel. Start by selecting at least one metric. A common choice is net sales, but you can choose whatever metric is most pertinent to your objectives. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for the information your report will display. After selecting your metric, you're going to want to add dimensions and filters. Dimensions help you break your data down into more specific categories, such as product name or customer location. Filters, on the other hand, allow you to refine the data even further by setting criteria like date range or specific product types. These tools are invaluable for custom tailoring your report to meet your exact business needs. Finally, after setting up your metrics, dimensions, and filters, you're ready to save your report. It's a good idea to give your report a descriptive name that easily identifies its purpose or the data it contains. Once you've entered a name, hit Save, and then you'll click Save again to finalize the creation of your custom report. And there you have it, a custom order report in Shopify with data curated to your specifications. By following these steps, you can easily track and analyze your sales metrics, helping you make more informed business decisions. Thanks for tuning in, and happy reporting.